Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Target GPads. So friends, today we will see next 30 questions from 60 to 90 of GPAD model question paper 1. In previous two videos, we have discussed 60 questions. In first part, we saw 1 to 30 question, and the second part we saw 30 to 60 question. So friends, if you didn't watch those videos, you must watch once. Link is in description box. So now let's start the video. So now let's talk about the question number 61. So the question number 61, which is WHO guidelines for the herbal drugs contaminants includes amino acid, pentose, pesticidal residue, arsenic, heavy metals, microbial loads, or purine and pyrimidine base. So right answer of this question is C. Pesticidal residue, arsenic, heavy metals, microbial loads. Now let's talk about question number 62, which is an essential ingredient in the general preparation of plant tissue culture media is options: auxin, glucose or sucrose, pyridoxine HCl, and D. gibberellin. So the essential ingredient in the general preparation of PTC media is glucose and sucrose, carbon source, are the essential ingredients. Next, 63. In pharmacognosy, the crude drug may be classified according to the following except alphabetically, morphologically, taxonomically, and geographical distribution. So right answer is D. Geographical distribution. Next, let's see next question, which is saponin containing drugs are used as a laxative, bitter tonic, expectorant, or emetic. So right answer of this question is saponin containing drugs are used as a expectorant. Now let's see question number 65. Which of the following properties of particles significantly affect the physical, chemical, and biological property of crude drugs? Options: density, sedimentation, size, or surface area. So the right answer of this question is size. Size is the property of particle significantly affect the physical, chemical, and biological property of crude drug. 66. When counter apparatus is employed for powder analysis, the following criterion is important. Option: dispersion medium should be colored, dispersion medium should be conducting, suspended particles should be charged, or suspended particles should be spherical. So right answer of this question is B. Dispersion medium should be conducting in counter apparatus. Okay. Now let's see question number 67. The type of particle diameter that is obtained by microscope method of evaluation is projected stroke volume or volume surface. So right answer of this question is projected, A. Okay. Next, 68. Parental drug product undergo what type of testing to ensure that all microorganisms have been destroyed or removed? Clarity testing, pyrogen testing, Leaker testing, or sterility testing? Right answer of this question is D. Sterility cancer. Too easy question. Pharmacopoeial tests for ensuring the quality of drug product in tablet form include all of the following except disintegration, dissolution, hardness and friability, content, uniformity. So the right answer of this question is C. Hardness and friability. This is the non-official test. Okay friends. let's see question number 70. When non-polar substances dissolved in polar solvent using surfactant, this process is called HLV, solubilization, emulsification or gelatination. So the right answer of this question, this process is non-solubilization. Okay. 71. Tablet can be coated with various polymeric agent, which dosage form is formulated to dissolve in the intestine rather than stomach. Sublingual, transdermal, enteric-coated, buccal. So the right answer is, you all know very well, enteric-coated. Enteric-coated formulation are which dissolve in intestine. Okay. Next, 72. A substance that is often used to subcoat tablet is sugar, Carnauba, Select or sodium stearate. So the right answer of this question is Carnauba. पहले दोस्तों सेलेक्ट को यूज किया जाता था, बट अब इसको नहीं करते, अब Carnauba यूज होता है. Next, red holing phenomena relates with poor flow granules, filling of capsule, maintaining the flow of granules and increase the flow of granules. So the right answer of this question is red holing phenomena relates with poor flow of granules. 74. Question number 74. Z value, a term used in sterilization, indicates temperature coefficient of microbial destruction, rate of microbial destruction, the number of microbes surviving in the loads, or time to increase to achieve 100% sterility. So the Z value is temperature coefficient of microbial destruction. So the right answer is A. Next, 75. Which compound is a natural emulsifying agent? Acacia, lactose, polysorbate 20 or sorbitol monopalmitate. Right answer is acacia. It is a natural emulsifying agent. 76. Rectal suppositories intended for adult usually weigh approximately 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram or 4 gram. So the right answer of this question is 2 gram. For adults, the weight of suppositories is 2 gram, and for child the weight of suppository is 1 gram. Next, a satisfactory suppository base must meet all the following except: it should have narrow melting range, it should be non-irritating and non-sensitizing, it should be inert, or it should melt below 30 degrees centigrade. So the right answer of this question is D. So the suppository should not melt below the body temperature, which is 37 degrees centigrade. Next, dose dumping is a problem in the formulation of compressed tablet, modified release drug products, soft gelatin capsule and suppositories. So right answer to this question, dose dumping is a problem in the modified release drug products. Next, 79. What equation describes the rate of drug dissolution from tablet? Fick's law, Noyes-Whitney equation, law of mass action, or Michaelis-Menten equation. So the right answer of this question is B. Noyes-Whitney equation describe the rate of drug dissolution from tablet. Now let's talk about question number 80, which is the loading dose of drug is usually based on the total body clearance of the drug, percentage of drug bound to plasma protein, apparent volume of distribution and desired drug concentration of plasma, and area under the plasma drug concentration versus time curve. So the right answer of this question is C. Apparent volume of distribution and desired drug concentration of plasma. Now question number 81. The principle of superposition in designing multiple dose regimen. Assume that each dose affects the next subsequent dose, causing non-linear elimination. Early dose of drug do not affect subsequent dose. The fraction of drug absorbed is equal to the fraction of drug eliminated. Each dose of drug eliminated by zero order elimination. The right answer of this question is early dose of drug do not affect subsequent dose. 82. A type of flow in which viscosity increases when the substance is agitated in plastic, pseudoplastic, dilatant, thixotropic. Right answer is dilatant, also known as shear thickening agent. When we apply shear stress, the viscosity of dilatant is increased. 83. As per GMP, permitted limit of solid content in water for injection is 100 ppm, 1 ppm, 10 ppm, 0.1 ppm. Right answer is 10 ppm. Next, 84. Which of the following radionuclides is most commonly used in nuclear pharmacy practice? 67 GA, 99 MTC, 133 XC and 123 I. So the right answer of this question is 99 M. Next, example of bioprecursor product: cyclophosphamide, ampicillin, progevide and campicillin. So the right answer of this question is bioprecursor product is cyclophosphamide. Next, sedative action of C5-disubstituted barbiturate is due to high lipophilicity of group at C5 position, electronic withdrawing effect, steric effect or metal chelation. So the right answer of this question, highly lipophilicity of group at C5 position is responsible for sedative action of C5-disubstituted barbiturate. Next, 87. Immunosuppressants are also useful in the treatment of autoimmune disease like meningitis, osteoporosis, myasthenia gravis or dermatitis. So the right answer of this question is dermatitis. Immunosuppressants are also useful in the treatment of dermatitis. Next, 3 acidity constant of tetracycline are
pK is equal to 2.8 to 3.4, pK is equal to 7.2 to 7.8 and pK is equal to 9.1 to 9.7, pK is equal to 5.8 to 6.4, pK is equal to 8.2 to 8.8 and pK is equal to 10.1 to 10.7, pK is equal to 0.8 to 1.4, pK is equal to 3.2 to 3.8 and pK is equal to 5.1 to 5.7, pK is equal to 4.8 to 5.4 and pK is equal to 6.2 to 8.8, pK is equal to 11.1 to 11.7.
So the right answer of this question is the 3 acidity constant of tetracyclines are A. pK is equal to 2.8 to 3.4, pK is equal to 7.2 to 7.8 and pK is equal to 9.1 to 9.7. Second last, in the SAR of directly acting sympathomimetic, optimal activity is seen only if the amino group is separated from the aromatic ring by 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. Right answer is 2 carbon. Last question of this video, of this part. Last question of part 3, question number 90, which is when N-methyl group of morphine is replaced with an allyl group, the compound formed is naloxone morphine antagonist, naltrexone morphine antagonist, nalorphine morphine antagonist, nalbuphine morphine agonist antagonist. So the right answer of this question, when N-methyl group of morphine is replaced with an allyl group, the compound formed is Nalorphine morphine antagonist. So friends, these were the next 30 questions of GPAT model question paper 2021. So friends, we have discussed 90 questions of this question paper. Now only 35 questions are remained out of 125, which we will see in the next video. Hope you like it. And friend, if you didn't watch the previous video, so I recommend to you, please watch the videos. And thanks for watching this video till the end, friend. Thank you so much.